Bonnie's juvenile keeps showing up. She keeps fighting off the juvenile, but he keeps showing up. I guess it's uncommon for the juveniles to come to the nest, but yet this little guy keeps doing it. And then like last night, poor little Bonnie ended up getting a rat showing up and eating all of her eggs. We put a metal all the way around the container, hoping that next time if she does build a nest, it will deter the rats away.